how to create a free landing page and a thank you page on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your own website and a free landing page and a thank you page. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So Wix is a pretty amazing website. It allows you to create amazing looking websites in a matter of minutes, and it's very simple to do. So let's get started. So over here, what we're going to be doing is we're just simply going to go ahead and click on get started over here. So over here, you can quickly sign up by entering in your email address, your password, and you're good to go. Or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. It all depends on you. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. I'll catch you guys in a second. And over here, this is how it's going to look like. So for those of you who have already an account, you're going to be on a different homepage. You're going to be at a place where you're just going to go ahead and start creating websites. So I've already created an account, so that's why it looks different, right? So let me just show you how your home screen is going to look like when you have first signed up. So when you first sign up, you're good to go, and this is how your screen is going to look like. And over here, you're simply going to answer a bunch of questions. It's all optional though if you want to answer them, or you can go ahead and skip. I'm going to skip for now, and I'll catch you guys in the template section over here. So let me just skip this. And over here, they're basically going to ask you, how do you want to create your website? So over here you have two options. Either you can let the Wix ADI create a website for you, or you can create your own website with the editor. So if you choose the ADI option, it's gonna be the artificial intelligence that Wix has generated. It's basically gonna ask you a bunch of questions, like simple questions, nothing too serious, and then it's gonna create a website for you that you can use. So if you want to have a website on the get-go, then you can go ahead and do that. But if you want to edit your own website, something from scratch, being able to edit that out, doing whatever you want, then I would recommend going with the editor. So I'm gonna, for now, click on the edit template over here so we can edit the template. So once you click on edit template, this is how it's gonna look like, right? So over here, we have a bunch of different templates to choose from. So let me just click on all templates over here. So all templates, these are all the templates that are available to us, 71 pages, which is one of the best things I like about Wix. Is they give you hundreds of templates to choose from, and you don't even have to worry because they all look very unique. Nothing is too similar to each other, which is why I like Wix, and they have a bunch of different other functionality as well. Now over here, since we're creating a landing page, we'll just simply search for landing page over here, landing page in the category. And then over here we have a bunch of different options to choose from. So choose whichever landing page that you think is good for you, and we can move on. So if your landing page is related to, let's say, real estate, then you can find this one over here. If it's for marketing, you can go ahead and do that as well. Elevate your brand, for webinars or whatever. It all depends on you, right? So you have a bunch of different options to choose from. So for example, let's just say that this is our landing page, right? Let me just click on view and see how this website looks like. So over here, this is the website, and it looks really simple, nothing too crazy, right? So we can go ahead and use this template to our, to our needs. So if you want to use this template, just simply click on edit this site, and it's going to take you over to the editor where you just edit the website. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in a second once it's done loading up. And once the editor has loaded up, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, you have your options over here on the left side, and you have your main page over here. Now you can edit this page to however you feel like it. Like, it's pretty simple. Like, whenever you hover your mouse over a certain section, that section gets highlighted, which, which is a, indicator that you can go ahead and edit that particular section of that page. So if I were to like click over here, I can go ahead and change the section over here, and I can change the background of the section. So if I click over here, change section background, I can go ahead and choose an image that I think is going to be, good for this section or for this landing page. As I said before, it all depends on you. So if I wanted to add this image, I can go ahead and add that image over there. Pretty simple, right? Like if I wanted to change the image of this section over here, I can just simply double click over there, and I can go ahead and change the header design. I can go with a transparent background, with a darker background. It all depends on you. So pretty much that's it. So I think this looks cool. I'm going to go with that one. Or actually, I'm going to go with a little lighter color with the sky blue over here. And you can even add this section over here. You can edit the entire website to however you feel like it. You can even change the text over here as well. You can click this button over here, and you can change the link to that button. It all depends on you, right? Pretty simple. Now this is the home page, right? This is the landing page. Now if you wanted to make like a new page, then you just simply click over here, and over here you will see menus and pages. You click over here, you will see all of your pages section over here. So if you click over here, add a page, you can go ahead and add a blank page or a thank you page or a service page, however you feel like it, right? So over here we have services, project, contact, general landing pages as well. So over here we have a bunch of different ones. Over here, actually, let's go ahead and add a landing page over here as well, and then change that out as well, or a landing page. All right, so to create a home page, what you're going to need to do is just simply click on the add button over here. And over here, you simply click on pages, right? Now, you could use a pre-made template, but creating a landing page is pretty simple actually. So what we'll do is we'll just simply click on add page, and we'll just simply click on add a blank page, right? Nothing too serious, right? So a blank page over here, right? We'll call it a thank you page, and we'll just simply go ahead and double click over here, and boom. All right, so this is going to be your thank you page, right? So over here, what you can do is you can add a design selection or add an element, right? So if you click over here, you can add welcome over here, welcome page. You have promotion, services, subscribes, testimonials, right? Or you can add a blank section completely. So over here, as you can see, a blank section has been added, but we have two sections, so we'll just get rid of this one as of right now. Click on the delete button, and we'll delete that section. Now what we can do is maybe we can add a nice, if we click over here on add section, maybe we can go with this one right here, which I think is pretty nice. So we'll click over here, boom, here we go. Now we can go ahead and change this out. So over here we'll click on edit text, and we'll just say thank you for purchasing, right? Thank you for buying, or thank you for downloading whatever your product is, right? And then over here we can write, you will receive a confirmation email shortly, right? We can add that. So we can add that. Pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy. And then down below we can delete this button as well. We don't need that since this is a thank you page. And pretty much that's it, right? Nothing too crazy, nothing too about it, and then we are good to go. So pretty much that's it. You are good to go. So then you just simply click on the publish icon over here, and you just publish the video. Now over here you can go with the free domain, as it says over here. It's going to look like this. It's going to be your website, then .wix.com, and then it's going to be the website name. So pretty long domain, not too ideal. So if you want to connect your own custom domain, then you can click over here, and then you can search for a custom domain that you can connect, that you can buy. It's going to cost you around, I would say, $15 to $20 and $25. So 15, 20, and $25, depending upon the choices that you create and the choices that you select. So yeah, keep that in mind. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.